You can make literally thousands of dollars by adding and selling products on selar.co. Let me show you how. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, please do well to hit that subscribe button and join this wonderful, amazing family. Okay, so how to add products on Selar and start cashing out big time. The very first thing you want to do is to click on this add products button here. Once you click on that, it will take you right into the page where you need to set your account details. So you put this for Nigeria. So let me quickly set my account details. Okay, quickly. Then you put in your account number. Then you verify account details. So it's going to verify my account details very quickly, very snappy. Alright, so here it has shown my name, which means it has connected my account. Are you sure your account details are correct? Okay, yes, they are correct. So let's see where next it takes us to. Guys, you can do this in minutes. Selar has a very good website and they make it easy for you to navigate easily. So now you can now add your products. Alright, so you just click on the add product sign, then it takes you to the next page very quickly. Alright, here we are. Okay, now you have to select a product type to proceed. Now mind you, I'm using the free version of Selar.co. I want to show you the amazing power of the free version of Selar.co. You can actually sell any kind of physical products, from clothing to books to electronics and appliances and more. You can sell digital products like ebooks, you know, like music and courses. Okay, you can sell stuff like that. Then you can sell the products you host on an external platform and more. You can also sell tickets to trainings and webinars. Then you can also sell recurring payment subscriptions. You can sell services. Okay, but if you want to sell video courses, you have to use the pro version. If you want to stream, stream online only videos, you have to upgrade to the pro. You want to sell membership courses, you upgrade to the turbo and all that. So okay, let's start with the physical product. How you can use this to do your dropshipping business. You click on this next button over here, then it takes you to the next page where you have to upload your product. Mind you, Selar is the images you upload on Selar must be 300 by 300 pixels, preferably a square image. Okay, so you want to click on this drag and drop to upload your image. I've done a video on how to reduce your resize your pictures. Okay, so go look that up on my channel. So you click on this drop to take it to your files, where you have to pick your image. So your image, so let's look for the image we want to upload. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, 300 by, it says 300 by 300 here. Okay, so it's perfect. Once it shows green here, it shows that it has uploaded. Then you go name your product. Let's say dog business blueprint. Alright, then you set your price. Now this is a physical product. Probably I'm selling a book, a hardcover book, and I need people to actually pre-order or place an order. So you get, if I want it to be automatic, I need people to actually place an order or pre-order that product. If I want people to pre-order it, I can go through Selar like this and have my pre-ordered set. Okay, then you have to place the price, let's say 1,000 naira. Then if you want to show a strike price to give people the impression that the original price was maybe 5,000, but you now sell it for 1,000, so you can put that strike price, so it should show that the former price is 5,000, which is the strike out original price. Then the current price will be 1,000 naira. So you want to insert a text and say this. Let me quickly pause the video and do that. So you want to write something like, this book will change your life for the better. In this book I will teach you how to make money selling dogs. So you want to write more of that, just write and fill up something nice over here. Then you want to come down to this category if you want. The essence of this category is so that you can your product can be organized on your own page, and so that people can actually search on Selar and actually find your product. So you can choose a particular niche. You can choose a particular niche for your product. So let's say business. You can choose a subcategory, let's say e-commerce. Okay, good. Then you don't want to, okay, these options are for the pro and turbo plan, but then let's continue. So quantity available, you can give the impression that it's limited. You can say 10 pieces or 20 pieces or even 100 pieces available. Okay, then if this is a pre-ordered product, you can click pre-order. Okay, then you can choose a release date when you want to release the product, so that people can pay up before that date. You get people can pay up before the date. It can be July, let's say July 26. Okay, and people can pay up before that day. So you can use Selar.co to actually set a pre-order campaign like this. Then the next thing you want to do, or if you don't want it to be pre-order, if you want it to still be the product you already have is already on ground, you can unclick that. Or if you want to be a pre-order, you can click that. Then you want to, since it's a physical product, since it's a physical product, you want to automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL for after a purchase. So after the person must have paid in the money, then the person needs to be redirected to maybe your WhatsApp. So you have to input your WhatsApp DM link here, so that the person sends you a DM immediately. Once the person sends you a DM immediately with the WhatsApp URL, and you would have used one link to actually customize the message to be like, I just bought your course. So once you see something like, I just bought your course, you know that okay, this person is coming from my Selar account. Then maybe you want to specify, you can say, I just bought your dog business course. That means the person has already purchased it, so you don't have to worry about that as in your account. Okay, so what you then need to do is now get the address of the person and send the book or whatever. Okay, it can be a book, it can be a shoe, it can be whatever. Just put in the pictures of the product here, then put in the name of the product and the price and the description. Then you put in your link. Okay, I will do a video on how to create customized WhatsApp message through one link, so that you get customized message into your DM with the write-up you want to see. Alright, so guys, that is how to create a product. So then you now go down here and say, let's click the card, have a link. Then you now go down here and say create product, and Selar create your product immediately. Alright guys, success, congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it at www. Now this over here is your link. This is your link. Okay, this is the link you send to people. This is the link people click on when they want to buy your product. Okay, this is the link here. Your product link is this. Okay, that is the link, and this is your product. So let's click on the link. Let's see how it looks when somebody actually click on our product. So let's see how it looks. Okay, voila, this is how our business look, our product look, dog business blueprint. Then my name is right there, Gerard Ebi. Then this is the picture of the product I placed, and this is a pre-order. It has pre-order right here because that is what I choose. Then the person can actually get multiple of that book, the hard copy. This is a physical product, mind you. It can be any physical product, can get multiple copies. Okay, then the price is 1,000 naira. Then it says, please note that this product is to be pre-ordered and the expected shipping date is so and so. So you see guys, this is so sweet. Then the person can add to cart or purchase. Let's say add, let's make it 1. Okay, add to cart. Now person can check out. Once person checks that, means the person wants to buy. It's 1,000 subtotal because it's one product. If it's 2, it will be 2,000. If it's 3, it reflects. Okay, so it's going to be 1. Sorry, mistake. Let's add to cart 1. Then let's check it out. Now this is the name of the person the person wants to send the money to, which is me. And my name, my email. Sorry, this is the name of the person that wants to buy it. Rather, okay, the person will put in his name, the person will put in his email, and the person will put in the phone number right here. Okay, then the person will put in the address and the custom note, if any. Then this is, and the person is going to pay now. Okay, but see, it says the person can go further because the person hasn't put in the address, which is very important because it's a physical product and the person needs to actually provide an address where the physical product will be shipped to or sent to. Then the person can pay with his card, or if the person wants to pay via bank, the person can pay via bank transfer by clicking here to see how. Alright guys, it's as simple as that. This is how to set up your products for dropshipping on selar.co. See you on the next one.